See children, this is a clock. It is an example of clock, and as you have already done the plane shape square rectangle, so easily we can say this is a square shaped clock. Now in this clock we can see various things. What are these? This is called the face of the clock. Like I am having my own face, you are also having your own face, clock is also having the face. Now on this face, clock is having some digits. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if anybody asks you, there are dash digits on a clock's face, what you will say? You will say there are 12 digits on a clock's face. Apart from these digits, we are having something else also. To go to that part, before going to that part, we will talk something about the digits. There is some speciality in this. What are they? I am showing you. You can see this 12, and which digit is just opposite to 12? That is the 6. So if anybody asks you that which digit is just opposite to 12 on a clock's face, you can immediately answer 6 is just opposite to the 12 on a clock's face. The same rule is for the 9 and the 3. 3 and 9, both of them each other's opposite position. So this will be an important information regarding the clock's face. Apart from, another thing is there. What is the another thing? If anybody asks you how many 1 will you get on a clock's face, within a second you can say only 1 because there is 1. No, you just check the digits. Here is 1 1, here is another 1, here is 2 1s, and here is another 1. That means 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 1s over there. And if anybody asks you how many times are you getting 2 on a clock's face, the answer will be 2, because one time 2 comes over here, another time 2 is here. Like that way, small thing you have to observe regarding this clock so that you can easily answer. Now we will come to the next part. On this clock's face, you can see, I know you have already noticed it. There is something called the hands. This is the long hands, this one. This is the long hands, and I am making it moving. See, you can see this one is moving. Let me fix it up on the table so that I can easily show you. See how fast it is. One time, now it is on 4. I am moving this long hand. It is going to 1. Now it is going to 2. Now it is going to, let's check where it will stop. It is going to 3. So this long hand which is moving, it is the long hand, or it is having another name. What is the another name? It is called the minutes hand. This one. Whenever, suppose this one, you can see now it is pointed on 1. Whenever it will go till 2, how many spaces it will cover up? You can see from the dots. I am making it closer. 1, 2, 3. If it starts from here, from 1 it has started. From this point to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means whenever the long hand or the minutes hand move from one digit to another digit, it always covers 5 minutes. It always covers 5 minutes. Why 5 minutes? See, when it was on 1, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it reached at 2, it covered up total 5 spots. From here to here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then on 2, 5. Total 5 minutes it covers. This long hand covers when it shifts from one number to another number. Apart from this long hand, we are having another one. This one. This is called the short hand or the hour hand. This is fixed whenever it moves from this one digit to another digit, that means it covers 60 minutes. Then how it covers, then it will be explained later on. Right now it is not needed. Right now your minute hands is much more needed. Apart from these two hands, there is one naughty hand, like you. Like you people in the class never sit quietly. On the face of the clock, you can see one slick hand is there, which never stops. All the time rotating. All the time rotating. Can't sit in a place. This hand, the slick hand, is called the seconds hand. Each and every second it moves. So, today we are getting few information regarding the clock. That 1 hour, it is having 1 hour hand, 1 minute hand. Hour hand is also called the short hand. Minute hand is also called the long hand. And the third one we are having, that is the seconds hand. Apart from this type of clock, we are having this type of clock, that is wristwatch. Sometimes all the digits are even not printed on it. Sometimes it is printed. This is also very useful, that we used to keep in our wrist to check the time. So along with this, from today, try to learn the time from this clock and try to say it by yourself. And when it is 10 o'clock, when it is 12 o'clock, you try to find out. Suppose if I keep the small hand on 10 and I am keeping the long hand on 12. What is the time? It is 10 o'clock. Now, if I shift this long hand very fast and trying to make another time. See. Now, short hand is on 9 and the long hand is on 12. Then what is the time? It is the 9 o'clock. So, whenever we are saying 5 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, whatever, always remember that long hand will touch 12 and whatever digit I am telling before the clock, maybe 10 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock, short hand will indicate that digit. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Next day we will continue with this with much more. Till then, learn to read the clock's face